How to remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can remove something from continue watching section on your Disney Plus. So let's just get started. First things first, just open up any web browser and search for Disney Plus. After doing that, open the site up and log in with your credentials. After you log in with your credentials, just tap on your profile picture on the top right, and after you do so, go to the menu section. After you're on your profile management page, all you need to do is navigate to the section that says continue watching. Right there, you will see a list of movies and TV shows. Just tap on a movie or a TV show that you want to remove, and all you want to do is tap on the three dots on that is next to the title, and after you click on it, you'll just have to tap on remove, and after you do so, it will get removed. So it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.